Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this MugJam review. Now, for those of you out there looking to add an extra tool to your tool belt, especially if you're doing video reviews, but maybe you're too shy to get on camera and you want a really wacky alternative that can probably set you apart and make you pretty unique, MugJam might just be for you. This is a really interesting one. So today we're going to take a look at MugJam. I'm going to take you on a deep dive, over the shoulder walkthrough, and as well as that, I've also sorted you out some really epic bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with it, that I've handpicked, that I think if you threw that all together, all those bonuses together with MugJam, I think you've got a product there. I think you've got a way to make money online. I honestly do, down that video marketing route, which is getting more and more popular. So before we get into that, it would really help me out if you hit subscribe, hit like, and turn on that bell notification if you want more updates on new platforms coming out that are going to help you make money online. Now, also, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video, make sure you first click that link in the description, because what that will do is send you first through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Terms at the top, my contact details if you have any problems. And the way this page works is, if you click on any of these green buttons, what it will do is essentially lock in all of these bonuses and then send you off to the MugJam sales page. Now, if you do decide to purchase that way, you will not only get MugJam, but you'll get all these bonuses sent to you in one big bundle, all together with MugJam, that you can access immediately. First bonus I've gotten for you makes a lot of sense. Video Marketing Profit Kit. This is a great product. And what it does is, if you're going to use MugJam to sell, do review videos, this goes into how to create videos properly, sales videos, marketing videos, how to get people to make decisions from your videos, to speak in a way where you're using copywriting or copy speaking, if that's even a word. And you're triggering those emotional responses. This goes into everything like that, how to basically put together really cool marketing videos. The second bonus I've gotten for you is called Modern Affiliate Marketing. Now this kind of builds on the last bonus, and a lot of the people out there, especially if you're new, when you're getting into marketing, whether that's through a blog or through video marketing, even like this video, Modern Affiliate Marketing, this is going to go into, if you don't have your own product, which you probably don't, it's going to go into helping you to choose the right affiliate products that you can market and then make a commission off. So everything is in here revolving around affiliate marketing, how to choose offers, how best to market them, how to pick the right ones, what to look out for, just everything you need. Bonus number 3, I threw in Evergreen Leads Business Edition. Now this is going to go into basically everything you need to know about starting a business online. But more importantly, what I want you to get out of this is just how to get leads. So you're putting marketing videos out, right? And you're using MugJam, and you've got review pages maybe, and this goes into how to get the leads, how to proactively go out and get that audience. There's a lot of gold nuggets in here on how to do that, because if you're making a video page and that's all you've got, and you don't know anything about SEO, and you don't know anything about social media, you don't know anything about driving leads and lead generation, what's the point in making the video, right? This goes into all you need to know for lead generation and garnering that audience. Bonus number 4 is I've gotten you some plugins that is going to help you do everything that I just talked about. We've got WordPress Video Commission, which helps you automatically generate video review pages that you can throw bonuses on and things like that, a lot like my page. And then you got List Up, which is going to help you create squeeze pages and landing pages, and manage email lists and collect emails. So you can pick either one which you want to use there, but basically the idea would be use these plugins on a website and then drive traffic to that website either through YouTube or Google or your social media, and then you have these pages set up and then your affiliate offer with your video using MugJam. I think that would work really well. It follows all the main rules. You've got marketing video, you've got an offer, you've got your SEO running. That would work, that would generate income for you. And bonus number 5 I've got for you here is the vendor has hooked me up with all their bonuses. Really quick, Business Finder app. We've got agency website, we've got training webinar, so pause the screen if you want to see what these are all about. We've got local business closing email swipes, so some scripts essentially. 80 ebooks from various niches to become an expert, so you can give those away as bonuses on your page or read them yourself. Facebook and YouTube ads template, and professional voiceovers to close deals. So you could use those voiceovers with MugJam if you don't even want your own voice on there. So that's up to you. And 100 royalty-free music tracks. So you're not getting pinged on your videos by YouTube because you're using other people's music and you haven't realized it, even though that's an honest mistake, you still get pinged. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step one. Link in the description. That will take you through to the bonus page. Click on these green buttons, lock everything in. That will send you off to the MugJam sales page or webinar page, depending what they're running today. And I would go through that and see, have a look more in depth, see if it's right for you. Have a look at testimonials and things like that. If you do decide to buy it, you'll be sent a digital receipt which looks like this. And as I said, under the green button will be MugJam. Under this blue button, all my bonuses. So really easy. Keep your eye on this countdown timer though, because this is a launch week special. So by going through my green links here, you're getting the bonuses and you're getting, it will automatically generate any discount codes as well. So that's really good. But yeah, basically the sooner you get in, the more you get for the less price. So keep your eye on that. And my email's here if you have any questions. So without further ado, let's get into MugJam and see exactly what it is.
Alright, so first we are quickly going to create an avatar for ourselves and use it to create videos. So let's begin with logging into our MugJam dashboard. This is the MugJam login screen and I'm going to log into my MugJam account. Alright, this is the MugJam dashboard and you can see how beautiful everything is and how easy it is to understand. So to create a project, you can simply choose a template category or you can upload your video to add an avatar on top of it. You can see we have got several categories for templates. Our goal is to give you as much diversity as possible when it comes to creating a template based video. So you will always find a template relating to your ideas and concept. Now let's get back to creating an avatar. So first let's create a project. I'm going to choose a template category for local business. So I can see all the templates in this particular category. We are going to add more templates for this category very soon. And I can click on any template and I can preview it from here. I can see the video and preview the entire template here, and if I like it I can just go ahead and select it. So let's select this template and let's give it a name and let's create our project. Alright, so this is our step 2 and on this step you can see all the avatars and create one for yourself. So I'm going to show you how this step works. Now you can see all your avatars here and you can also select a predefined avatar if you don't want to use your own avatar. So if you do not have any photo of yourself, you can simply use our predefined avatars for your project. For this test, we are going to create an avatar. So let's go ahead and click on create your avatar. Okay, so this is our avatar creator screen and you can see here that you can easily drag and drop your photo on this box and also make sure that the selfie photo that you take follows these instructions for a better output. So I'm going to now create an avatar of this female. You can see it here and let's create an avatar for this female. So to do this we are just going to drag this and drop it here. So it is going to ask me for the permission if I have the permission for this person, and yes, I do have the permission. So I'm going to click on I agree and please proceed. So now the avatar is going to get created. This entire process takes about 40 to 50 seconds each avatar and this is one time process. So once you create an avatar, you can use it for every project afterwards. Okay, so the avatar is now created and we can preview our avatar by clicking on this photo here and you can see it is so good. It is very real. It is very close to the original photo. So I'm going to go ahead and save this avatar now. Let's give this avatar a name and let's save it. Okay, so the avatar is now saved and you can see it's here now. So I can just click on this and now it is selected. So this is how easy it is to create an avatar automatically. We didn't have to do any manual work. It was all automatic. Now that we have the avatar created, let's go ahead and create a project using this avatar. So we have selected this restaurant template. So let's go ahead and to the next step and see how we can customize this entire template as we like. So on the next step, which is step 3, we are going to get an option to edit all the images and text for this particular template. So first, let's see a small preview of this template.
At Ed's Oyster Bar and Restaurant, our goal is to provide guests with an unparalleled dining experience complete with excellent service and high-quality cuisine. Our place uses...
Alright, so that is the template that we have selected. So we can change the logo or images on this template easily from here. So we can upload our own images and logo. We can do the same thing for the text. So we can change our website URL and the phone number and all the other text that is on this template very easily from this step, which is step number 3. So for this demo, I'm not going to change anything. So let's just go to the next step, which is step 4. Okay, on this step 4, you can customize your audio for your project. Now, MugJam works with your own voiceover, or you can even record your voiceover here on the app. Also, MugJam comes with an advanced text-to-speech engine, so you can customize the voiceover to whatever you need. Now, let's go ahead and use text-to-speech for this demo, and I'm going to do a small edit. I'm going to change the name here, and let's hear it.
At Rohit's Oyster Bar and Restaurant, our goal is to provide guests with...
Yeah, that sounds great. I can also change the audio pitch and speed, but these are already optimized, so I don't need to do any of that. Also, I can select background music for this project. We have created a very nice background music for every template, so you can just this is pre-selected for you, but you can change it if you want. I'm not going to do it for this template. So I think I'm done with changing the text here and the voiceover. So let's go ahead and go to the next step, which is step number 5, where we are going to export the video. Okay, so this is our step 5, and video is now getting processed with all the settings that we selected. And once it is done processing, we will be able to preview the video here. Also, we can send ourselves a download link once the video is done rendering. So we don't need to wait on this page if I don't want to. Also, we can upload the video directly to YouTube, Twitter and Vimeo as soon as this video is processed. But for this demo, we are just going to wait for this to process, and then once it's done, I'm going to show you the final preview. Okay, this template is now rendered, and this template took about 5 to 7 minutes to render. Now each template has a different render time because some might have complex animations in it, and because of the complexity of the animation, the render time might increase or decrease. Now let's go ahead and see the preview of this template.
At Rohit's Oyster Bar and Restaurant, our goal is to provide guests with an unparalleled dining experience complete with excellent service and...
So you can see it's great. Only thing is that I did not select the female voiceover, so we did not change it on step 4. So if I would have done that, this would have been a female voiceover. But you can see how amazing this is, how easy it is to create a avatar and a video using MugJam. So once all of this is done, and if we like it, let's go ahead and click on export. And once we export, we will be sent back to dashboard, and we can find that project that we created here in our ready to download section. And we can also download this project from here. So that's how easy it is to create a video and an avatar using MugJam. Now, I also want to show you how you can add avatars on your existing videos by clicking on Browse Files. Now, you can upload your own videos on this box, and once you are done uploading these videos, you will see them here. These are the ready to use videos, and you can select any video for this project. So let's select this particular video, and I'm going to create a test project. Now we have to select an avatar for this particular test. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And let's go to next step. Now the unique thing about this particular project is that you can also add a frame between the avatar and the video. So you can select a predefined frame from here, or you can upload your own frame if you want. You can also select avatar position from here. So right now I want this avatar to be on the bottom left. So it is correctly selected right now, so I don't need to change it. I can also change the size of the head of the avatar. So if I want a bigger head, I can do that. But I think size 3 is good. So this step is done. Let's go to next step. Alright, so on this step, you can again use text to speech or record your own voiceover. But the great thing about this project is that the audio is already extracted and added here. So the video that you uploaded, whatever audio was in there, it was extracted by MugJam app and then it is presented here. So I don't need to do any other changes here. I don't want to upload my own voiceover. I just want to use the voiceover that is in the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on next step. And now again, it's going to process. And once it's processed, I will show you the preview. Okay, the video is now processed. This video took about 3 to 4 minutes to process. And now let's see the preview.
Hey, what's up guys, Andrew here. Today we're taking a look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the iPhone XR. This is an excellent case overall for only $12 on Amazon, so I highly recommend.
So you can see it's great. It's exactly how we wanted it. So that's how easy it is to add an avatar on top of your video.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed that demo. Now, really quickly, if you go through to my bonus page in that link in the description again, you can find out what to expect as far as the pricing goes. So the front end is 47 to 67 one time, and I will say that you don't only need the front end to get access to the bonuses. So don't think that you need to get all the upgrades to get the bonuses. You just need this, and you get everything basically that you saw in the video and everything that you see here. One-time offer number 1, you can get MugJam Pro, which includes green screen video, 5 minutes video upload, additional 50 voice models, downloads never expire, unlimited avatars, upload video to multiple networks at once. So if you want to save time, it's probably worth that upgrade. Then you got Assets Club, which gives you, it's 69.5 yearly, 97 yearly, so 20 additional templates, and every month you get an additional template and you get 3 extra background musics each month. One-time offer number 3, agency package. So if you're an agency, you can offer what Mug Agency is going to do to your clients. So that's a pretty unique thing, especially if you're a freelancer. You can offer, because MugJam is the only program out there that does this, maybe you can offer, do you want your face computerized and selling your products? That would be a really cool idea, I think. So a lot on offer here. There is a money back guarantee, so not a lot to lose. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. My email is fine too, or my social media. I reply to everybody, so no matter what you do, I will get back to you. If not, enjoy MugJam. Hope you love those bonuses, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.